Urwa bin Zubair says that Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair standing in Makkah Mukarramah was saying, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has turned the hearts of some people blind as their eyes are blind. These people give verdict in favor of temporary marriage. Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu was taunting a man. That person said aloud to Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu, "You are foolish and devoid of sense. By my life, temporary marriage was contracted in the reign of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu said, "If you contract the temporary marriage, I will stone you with your own stones." Ibn Shihab says that Khalid bin Muhajir bin Saifullah informed me that he was sitting with a man when another man came and inquired of him the precept of the temporary marriage. He permitted him to contract temporary marriage. Hazrat Ibn Abi Amra said, "Stop." He said, "What is the matter?" "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have contracted the temporary marriage in the times of Imam al-Muttaqeen, the chief of pious people, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Hazrat Ibn Abi Amra Ansari radiyallahu anhu said, "In the early days of Islam, the temporary marriage was permitted under exigency as eating of carrion, blood and swine are permitted. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu intensified the commands of religion and forbade the temporary marriage." Ibn Shihab says that Rabi bin Abi Sabra Johni told me that his father narrated that his father in the Prophet times contracted the temporary marriage with a woman of Banu Amir in exchange of 2 red chadors. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then proscribed us from contracting temporary marriage. Ibn Shihab says that Rabi bin Sabra told this hadith to Umar bin Abdul Aziz in his presence. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3415.